A routine seismic swarm at a volcanic caldera unravels a deeper mystery about how vast subsurface systems breathe. Scientists combine satellite gravity, ground tilt, and magma models to illuminate elusive anomalies that resist simple eruption explanations. The unknown remains whether these signals portend future hazards or merely reflect long-term crustal motion. Human communities depend on measured risk communication and resilient infrastructure, even as the evidence stops short of precise forecasts. Researchers continue data sharing and advanced simulations, hoping a breakthrough will sharpen warnings without promising certainty.